everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's Blowing Coupons. So today's video is about what I got in my inserts and what coupons I printed off coupons.com. So I'm gonna get started and show y'all what coupons that you need to go and print right now, and then I'm gonna go through what I got in my inserts. Okay, but before we get started, please like, comment, and share this video to anybody you know that wants to start couponing. Please share my video. All right, so the first coupon I got I printed was from Neutrogena, $2.50 off. I usually take that to CVS. We got a $4 one, and then we also have a $1 one for the cereal. The Welch's Fruit Snacks. I used this coupon at the Dollar Tree yesterday. It was put in manually, so I don't know if it beeps or not. So for the Welch's Fruit Snacks, it's $1 off any two. So I used that one yesterday at the Dollar Tree. We have $1 off 2 Kellogg's. Now all these coupons again are available on coupons.com as of today. So go there now and print these coupons. We have 75% off Breyers. Woo, Breyers ice cream is higher than a mofo. So 75% off is just not enough. Alright, so we got this $1 off Kellogg's. Let's see, 4 jerk. I've printed some more snack coupons for Puka because we're trying to stock up on his little snacks. Sudafed, $1 off. I usually take those to CVS. Alright, so this Jif coupon, this is what I used also at the Dollar Tree yesterday. I purchased like a Jif product, and this product works for that. So I paid 50 cents for that product with this Jif coupon. It's on coupons.com. I also used the 75-cent coupon yesterday at the Dollar Tree, and it gave me a quarter Crunch Berries. Quarter for Crunch Berries. So it's still available on coupons.com. Hair color. Prego. They usually have that at the Dollar Tree too. I just didn't see any yesterday. Biore. I didn't see any Biore. I used that coupon as Biore to get free Biore. I used that coupon at the Dollar Tree to get free Biore before too. Chewy granola bars. Okay, 75 cents off Frigo head cheese, 75 cents off. I also used that yesterday at the Dollar Tree to give me a quarter string cheese. Skippy, $4 off Neutrogena, $1 off Welch's. I used the Welch's coupon yesterday at the Dollar Tree. It gave me 50-cent Welch's Fruit Snacks. Sudafed again, snacks, Breyers, let's see, Prego. Some of these are just repeaters because I print them out twice. Alright, so the kettle chips, they're $1 off any two. I like kettle chips. The salt and vinegar ones are great. And then it's like the salt and pepper ones that I like eating with my tuna. So $1 off two. $2 off any Garnier Fructis. I usually take that to the Dollar Tree. If they don't have any Garnier Fructis, I take that to CVS. $1 off, what does this say? $1 off any two Frosted Flakes. I usually take that to Walmart, that coupon. $2.50 off Neutrogena. $1 off Kellogg's Special K. This Cheez-It coupon, I wish I would have had this Cheez-It coupon yesterday. They did have cheeses there at the Dollar Tree. So if you have cheeses at your Dollar Tree, use that coupon. It's $1 off too. And they also had Pringles at the Dollar Tree. I wish I would have had that coupon. It's $1 off 4. Wow. That ain't a great coupon because that only take a quarter off. And you got to buy 4. So you're going to pay $4 for, well, you're going to pay $3 for 4 of them. And I don't think that's a great one. Cape Cod, L'Oreal, I printed out another Mucinex coupon. Jack, what is this? Jack Daniels, Gentleman Jack. I don't know why I print that out because I don't even drink that. But all right, $3 off if you drink Gentleman's Jack. Biotene. Biotene is hiding the mofo foe, so I don't know if that's a great coupon, but if you use Biotene, that'll be $150 off. Here's another Frigo cheese coupon, 55 cents off one. I use that at the Dollar Tree and I get 45-cent cheese. I like when they had the shredded cheese. They didn't have the shredded cheese yesterday. Make sure you watch my Dollar Tree coupon and haul that I posted this morning, which is Wednesday. I'm a day late, but I posted it yesterday because I'm putting this video up on Thursday. So this, make sure you watch that video. I got 43 items for free. 43 items for free. Make sure you watch that. Sargento, I always print this coupon out and never use it. I'm gonna stop printing this coupon out. I don't know why, but I like Sargento cheese, and I guess in my mind I think I'm gonna go and get some Sargento cheese, and I never make it there. Okay, and that's all the printable coupons I printed out, the new ones that were available. I print those out this morning. All right, let me show you what I got in my inserts. Okay, so we got the January Super Saver. Hellmann's, $1 off Hellmann's. I like Hellmann's. When I make tuna, I use Hellmann's. I usually take this $2 off Vaseline lotion. I usually take that to Target because they have one that's like $3.29 maybe. And I usually use this $2 coupon on that. I usually take these two coupons. What is this? This Recipe Secrets. And this 40-cent for the Lipton tea. They usually have it at Dollar Tree, but they didn't have either one of these products yesterday. So I'm going to check at a different Dollar Tree and see if they have them. These are Dove products. So me and Dove, $2 off the bars. I don't know why I didn't use that yesterday. I don't think they had any Dove yesterday, or I would have used that. $1 off, $2 off the body wash, $1.50 off the deodorant, and $2 off the hair care. I usually take those coupons to CVS if I can't find them at my Dollar Tree. I love Dove too. I love Dove. 75 cents. I usually use this at the Dollar Tree. I don't know why I didn't use it yesterday. I have to use it, I guess, the next time. When does it expire? Let me see. 2/6/21. Alright, so I got a little time. So 75 cents off the Dove bars. I usually use that coupon. It gives me a quarter soap. $1.50 off the Dove deodorant. And $1 off the Dove hand sanitizer. $1 off the body wash. $1 off the Dove body polish. I like the Dove body polish too. That's great. And y'all know I always use Dove body wash. And then $1 off the Dove foam. $1 off Axe. $1 off personal wash. I used this coupon on some Axe bars that I found at the Dollar Tree yesterday. It did beep though. It did beep, but it gave me free Axe bars of soap with this coupon. Axe hair care, $1.50. Love Beauty and Planet. Now, I like their hair products more than I like anything. I just usually get their conditioner and stuff, and I take my coupon to CVS because they have better deals for this product, or either Walmart. Oh, they have some dietary gummies, huh? I never seen those. Wow, they got gummies. $4 off. Suave. And then Suave deodorant, they have that also at the Dollar Tree. I usually use this coupon, but they were sold out of Suave deodorant yesterday. Suave body wash, $1 off. $1.50 off the hair care for Suave. And Kids Suave, $1.50 off. I usually take these coupons to either Dollar General, Walmart, or if CVS is having a good deal, I take them there. So this is all Suave Professional products. I can never use this coupon for some reason. This buy one, get one free. So I'm going to try to use it this time. The max value is what? Is that $6.99? The max value is $5.99. If it'll focus so y'all can see. But the max value is $5.99. So I might try to use that this time. And then $2 off a hair care product. Okay. And that's it for our Unilever Super Saver. And then I received one more insert, which is my Retail Me Not. It's light too. I usually don't use these. They used to sell these at the Dollar Tree. I was hoping they were back or I seen any, but I didn't see anything. The Anatizers coupon yesterday when I went. If you all do sell this product, they sell it at the Dollar Tree, it'll be free with that coupon. Last time that coupon actually worked too, so it'll be free. Get a $5 gift card. If you buy $15 of Unilever in participating grocery stores, snap a picture of the receipt and earn a $5 gift card. So basically, spend $15 and get $5 back. Biotine. Garnier Fructis. I usually take these to CVS unless they have a good product at the Dollar Tree. Family Dollar. Colas or Colace. For your furry friends. Jules. Alright, and that's the end of what coupons I got in my inserts. Alright, so I have a couple good coupons. Yesterday when I went to the Dollar Tree, I actually had a lot of good coupons that I didn't even know that I was going to find that much stuff with coupons, but I did. So make sure you look at that video yesterday. Alright, thank you all for watching. It's Blowing Coupons, and I'm out.